how to turn off or on always access location on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and then click this three lines here and click settings, and here we'll find permissions. Click on it. Now just wait few seconds and then scroll down. Now scroll down until you find the location. Here is that location, and here we'll find all the time. Click to device, go to device settings, and here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.